हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। ई कॉमर्स में आज के लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करेंगे इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एक्ट 2000। तो इसके साइलेंट फीचर्स के बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे। सो लेट्स कवर। द मेन फीचर्स ऑफ IT Act 2000 are: first one is digital signature has been replaced with electronic signature. Digital signature has been replaced with the electronic signature to make it more technological. तो फर्स्ट साइलेंट फीचर है डिजिटल सिग्नेचर हैज बीन रिप्लेस्ड विद इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिग्नेचर टू मेक इट a more technology neutral act. Second one silent feature is it elaborate on offense penalties and breaches. आपसे प्यार करूंगा, ठीक है। थर्ड वन है इट आउटलाइन द जस्टिस dispensation system for cyber crimes. It outlined the justice dispensation system for cyber crimes. Fourth one is it defined in a new section that cyber cafe is any facility from where the access to internet is offered by any person in the ordinary course of business to the member of the public. Okay. Fifth one is it provide for constitution of the cyber regulation advisory committee. It provides. सबसे पहले हम साइलेंट फीचर्स को पहले समझेंगे, पढ़ेंगे और फिर उसको अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे, ठीक है। सो इट प्रोवाइड्स for constitution of cyber regulation advisory committee. It is based on Indian Penal Code. 1860, Indian Evidence Act 1872, Bankers Book Evidence Act 1891, and Reserve Bank of India Act 1934, etc. It adds a provision to Section 81, which states that provision of the Act shall have overriding effect. The provisions states that nothing contained in the Act shall restrict any person from exercising any right conferred under the Copyright Act 1957. Okay, so these are the main points which are related to Information Technology Act 2000. Okay, now what is the scheme of IT Act? So IT Act contains 13 chapters and the 90 sections. Okay, note down this point. IT Act contains 13 chapters and 90 sections. The last 4 sections, namely section 91 to 94 in the IT Act 2000, deal with the amendment to the Indian Penal Code 1860. Indian Evidence Act 1872, Bankers Book Evidence Act 1891 and the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934 were deleted. ठीक है, ध्यान दीजिए, तो जो लास्ट के जो सेक्शंस थे वो डिलीट हो चुके हैं. It commences with the preliminary aspect in the chapter 1, which deal with the short title, extent, commencement and applications of the act in section 1. Section 2 provide definitions. Okay, chapter 2 deal with the authentication of electronic records, digital signatures, electronic signatures. Chapter 11 deal with the offense and penalties. A series of offenses have been provided along with the punishment in this part of the act. So thereafter the provisions about due diligence, role of intermediaries and the sum of misprovisions of are been stated. The act is embedded with the 2 schedules. The first schedule deal with the document or transaction to which the act shall not apply. The second schedule deal with the electronic signature of the electronic authentication technique and procedure. The third, fourth schedule are omitted. Okay. So these are the important terms of Information Technology Act 2000. So about the history of this act, the Information Technology Act 2000 is an act of Indian Parliament notified on the 17th of October 2000. It is the primary law in the India dealing with the cybercrime and the electronic commerce. Okay. Originally published in the 9th of May 2000, enacted by the Parliament of India, or enacted 9th of June 2000, introduced by Pramod Mahajan, Minister of the Communication and the Information Technology, commenced 17th October 2000, assented to the 9th of June. So the Information Technology Act, also known as ITA 2000 or IT Act, an act of Indian Parliament, notified on the 17th of October 2000. It is primary law in Indian dealing with cybercrime and electronic commerce. So the act to provide legal recognition for the transaction carried out means of electronic data interchange and other means of electronic communication, commonly referred to as electronic commerce, which involve the use of alternative to paper-based method of the communication and storage of the information, editing, electronic filing and documents with the government agencies, and further to amend the Penal Code, Evidence Act, Book Bankers Act and Reserve Bank of India. Okay. The bill was passed in the budget session of the 2000 and signed by the President K.R. Narayan on the 9th of June 2000. The bill was finalized by a group of officials headed by the Minister of Information Technology Pramod Mahajan. तो इसकी summary, the original act contained 94 sections and divided into the 13 chapters and 4 schedules. The law applied to the whole of India. If a crime involves computer or network located in the India, person of the nationalities can also indicate under the law. The act provides a legal framework for the electronic governance by the giving recognition to the electronic records and the digital signatures. It also defines cybercrime and the prescribed penalties for them. The act directed to the formation of controller of certifying authorities of regulating the issuance of digital signatures. It also established a cyber appellate tribunal to resolve dispute arising from the new law. Act also amended various sections of the Indian Penal Code. 1860, Evidence Act 1872, Reserve Bank of India 1934. Okay. थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में इस टॉपिक को हम दोबारा से डिस्कस करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.